GoPro Hero 10 I've had for over a year now, and it's been a really great little camera. It's held up really well. The 5.3K footage this can capture. This is capable of shooting 5.3K video at up to 60 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second, and 2.7K at 240 frames per second. It takes even the shakiest footage and makes it look like it was shot on a gimbal. Is shoot in low light. The instant you're no longer in full bright daylight, the footage will get pretty grainy, but that's kind of to be expected. So long as you're planning on filming outside during the day, the footage will turn out looking great. This is waterproof by itself, without having to add any additional case. Folds out of the bottom of the camera here. This has two screens, the main touch screen for navigating through these settings on the back. And then on the front of the camera, there's a smaller screen for reviewing your shots while filming. If you're going to be filming yourself, underneath this hatch is the removable battery, the micro SD card slot, and the USB charging port. If you're looking for a high-quality action camera, this is definitely a great option. Thanks for watching.